I am Mark Stewart Greenstein, candidate for Connecticut Governor, and this is the Daily Fire for March 15th. 300 days from now, a new governor will be inaugurated in Connecticut. I would like to be that governor, and I think a lot of Connecticut people will like having me. I run 3 small businesses right now. Otherwise, I'm an outsider to politics. That's probably a good thing. Because I ask people, how much have the seasoned politicians helped Connecticut? They're very good at compromises. Connecticut right now can't afford compromises. Seasoned politicians are very good at spinning things. They're adept with words. Connecticut needs straightforward truths. We didn't have them for many years, and that's gotten us in trouble. So no, I don't have high political status. I'm a Democrat. Our party has been too tied to status. It's gotten us into trouble. I'll take talent over status any day. Status gets us mired. We need ideas and we need energy, and that comes very often from outsiders who are high in status with their families, their schools, their businesses. We outsiders aren't coming from a shack deep in the mountains. We're coming from the real world, and that might actually be a lot better than the chambers of power that haven't served us all that well. Connecticut needs a serious governor. This is one of them. Connecticut also needs a General Assembly that is committed to rock-solid things that we've gotten away from. Individual responsibility, not playing to groups, not padding people just because they're part of those groups. My party has been an offender, especially in Washington, but somewhat in Connecticut. I would like even more than a good governor. I would like this state to see a very good General Assembly. Either party, okay? But I actually hope it'll come from Democrats. I would like to see the Democrat Party be the moderate Democrats of 40 and 50 years ago. Those who didn't believe in what our leaders now do. Our leaders, especially in Washington, but somewhat in Connecticut too, believe that everyone deserves a check, no matter who they are and how lazy they are. And that keeping on taking and taking without working, oh, you still deserve a blind check for your rent, for your food, for your education. No. We can do this right and uplift those very people by having stringent welfare requirements. Democrats should be the ones doing that. The next Connecticut governor should not be playing to emotions. The next Connecticut governor should not be one of the leaders who, well, don't respect U.S. borders. The next Connecticut governor shouldn't be, like some leaders in North Carolina Democrats are, putting men into women's restrooms, putting adolescent boys into girls' locker rooms. We should not be a party that plays to just emotion. There's enough reasoned voters in Connecticut that the Democrat Party is in danger of getting worked over. And if people in the General Assembly do not moderate and do not get back to individual responsibility, they should be ejected. Again, I'd like to see this party become more robust by being more moderate. So where will the progressives go, the dyed-in-the-wool of you who from birth have been sucking on Marxism? There is a place. It's called the Socialist Party. And I'm not disparaging it totally. I actually believe in a multi-party system. 2 parties are too big to truly represent the many views that people have. 2 parties, when they get together, they tend to compromise, yeah, but in the process, sell out everybody else. I say to Democrats, especially running for the General Assembly, whether you're incumbents or trying to get in, get right, or be replaced. And if the chamber goes red, it'll be Democrats' fault. I don't think that's a good thing. A chamber going red by default, because we haven't stood up, is bad for Connecticut. We need more discourse. That starts with my campaign. March 16th is my kickoff in West Hartford. I'd love to see some more of you there, but you'll hear more from me now through November. Thank you for your attention thus far. I look forward to a great campaign for the next 8 months.